better to say goodbye than holding things that it hurts you the most. So, love yourself more, and feel ko ito purpose ko sa buhay ko. So yeah, to my friends out there, take time to think about yourself more. Char. Because again, at the end of the day, you only have yourself, and kailangan mo talagang unahin sa sarili mo. Think about yourself, about what it should be done. Kasi I still love you guys. Char. I'm so happy being single. It's because may purpose na. So, please have some time to let go things that it hurt you most, because one day you will just be thankful instead of thinking about the negativity. You need to be thankful as well. It's because the more you hold on sa kung ano yung nakakasakit sa'yo, the more ka masasaktan. So, yes, you can embrace it while you can, but then again, you need to think that the more you hold on, the more pain you'll get. So, better to let things go. Aww. Spread the love.